If you've been following my videos recently, you'll see I've been talking a lot about iOS 26, but one thing I haven't done yet is iPadOS. So I've gone ahead and I've installed that, and I can tell you, I'm actually really enjoying it. I actually think iPadOS has been better implemented. They've finally done what we've all been asking for. We can actually now make little windows. Look how good that is. You can just scale it by dragging the corner. It feels very intuitive and works very, very well. There's also a little menu at the top here where you can minimize, maximize. If you want to use your iPad like how you used to, yep, you can just swipe up, it'll go away. There's a new animation that kind of like folds in. Can you see that? It's got a bit of a jiggle to it, like it kind of bends in. That's quite nice, I think. But let's make a little window here. That's nice. Maybe you want to split the screen, so give that a flick. You're going to give it some welly there, and it attaches to the edge of the screen. Maybe I want to open up now some Apple Music. Nice little window for me there. If I want to add that to side, flick, boom. That is so cool. You can also, of course, just drag it like this. You want to get rid of one, just goodbye. Maybe you want to maximize it. You can just grab the top and flick up. There's also a new menu bar at the top, if you can see, kind of making it more like a Mac. I don't think I'll ever use that because everything is here, but that's good to know. And what I like is they've got this kind of like floating panel on the side now. I think this design works a lot nicer here. This Photos app is built better than the iOS Photos app. I'm not a fan of the iOS Photos app. I don't think it looks that good, but I think they've done a good job designing the iPad version of this. And I don't know, when I tap on some of these folders, I just think the glass effects look nicer on the iPad. I feel like it suits the larger screen better. This is still a bit cluttered where you can see all the kind of colors behind it. But I feel like it makes more sense on a larger screen than it does on the iPhone, where you kind of need more precision with a lot of things. And I found the animations, when you're doing things in here, just seem to work better. Right, the done button doesn't work. Cancel. You can see the top up here kind of flows in. I noticed on iPhone that gets a lot of glitching and stuttering. The performance is better on the iPad. It's almost like Liquid Glass was designed for the bigger screen. If we try and get one of these menus, you can see it's got a nice jiggle to it. Very interactive, very fun to use. But what do you think? The highlight for me is definitely having these windows. I find it very, very useful. You can actually multitask now, which is very nice. I think the other implementation wasn't as good as this. So there we go. What do you think of that? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Keep following because I'm going to be doing videos daily on iPadOS. Bloody annoying loud car. If you want to see any features, let me know in the comments and I'll try to do a video on it. I'll see you guys in the next video.